Minecraft Beer 1 here, and today I'm going to be showing you my fireworks stash after 4th of July. Don't have that much things, but you know, I can do with it. I'm in Arizona, so everything is ground legal, but very cool. I want to start off with these little tiny guys. These guys, this one is actually 3 minutes long. I mean 2.5, but 3, I don't know. Somewhere around really long. Just sparks and pops and stuff like that. And these two are the same thing mostly, except for a little bit shorter. As you can see, they're a little bit smaller. Big bangers, cracker barrel. Got two big bangers and one cracker barrel left. These things are called Russian roulettes. They are very small, very cool looking though. I like them. You want to set them down and just light the top. It's kind of like this, except for bigger, and it doesn't last as long. It lasts like 10 seconds. And then we go to the big balls. These things are awesome. They just don't last long enough though. 3 big balls. What they do is they are huge. They are like motors that shoot up in the air, except for they stay on the ground, but a little bit smaller. Pretty cool. I got 8 left. Then I want to go to the magic room. See, I didn't really know what this was for a second, and then the girl told me it was kind of like a firecracker. I didn't really believe her, but when I lit it, it was actually pretty loud. It wasn't as loud as firecrackers, but it's kind of like this thing, except for it goes down here. It goes. It's actually pretty loud. Comes with 6 of these, I think, and this is the 6th one. There's 5 in there. I didn't use this pack yet. Then we go to my ground blooms. Right here we got a jumbo ground bloom from Black Cat. And these ones, the Cannon brands, I got them for really cheap. That's why these ones are more expensive, but pretty cool. These I have about 3, 4, 8, 12, 13 of them. And one of these, that's it. These ones don't blow up after, crackle after, but these ones do. So I'll set that to the side. These things are cool. Very cool. Now I'm talking about ground bloom crackling. Never got one of these before. I thought they were just regular ground blooms that you would get. But actually it spins on the ground, colorful, and then after it sparks up like the big ground bloom. But it's just small. Look how small they are. They're like really tiny. I have 3 fountains left. I have Pop Goes the Fountain, and another one of those. They're kind of like these things, but way bigger. And then Ratata. It's kind of like that. Not as big though. And that's my stash from after 4th of July. Thanks, comment, subscribe, and bye.